Well, a very good morning to all my friends. I'm back, and even I welcome you back to my YouTube channel after more than 1 year since my YouTube channel got terminated in 2022, I guess, not in 2023, as I feel like that. And it got uh, retrieved again, yeah, recovered again by YouTube mysteriously, suddenly. On YouTube in 2024, just recently. And what happened with my YouTube channel was like my YouTube channel got terminated due to some community guidelines violation that I made with my channel, and I appealed after it, but YouTube didn't listen to my application, and it didn't get recovered. Then I stayed like that, and after it, I couldn't make another YouTube channel because it's a rule, and I was banned for YouTube to become a creator anymore like that. So I made another channel on my mother's mother's identity. Recently, my second channel, which I made on my mother's identity, it too met what called 1 year, and suddenly my mother's yeah, my second channel too got terminated by YouTube. No any guidelines, YouTube guidelines violation, but still it got terminated by YouTube. After it, I appealed to YouTube, and I will tell you, yeah, I will read my what call application, how I appeal to YouTube for the second channel. This is how I wrote to YouTube. Hello YouTube, I think you have made a big mistake with me. Do you think I'm an ignorant person? Who are the people that have wanted you to terminate my channel without alerting me? There are thousands of YouTube channels I see still in the same condition, but for me, it's different. How? I know Neil Mohan, sir. He has a good relationship with India. I'd really guess that this immoral, illegal, unorthodox task that you have done is only because of the BCP IST cell. Or maybe it's done because of some enemies repeated reports on my channel. You are biased. You are not portray people. I know YouTube's rules and regulations and other things. At least you should have allowed me before doing it. This is a sign of corruption everywhere around the world. Your damn international valuable platform for humanity is both damn corrupted. I have no other clearance. All my vulgarity deserves to be here. No need for my channel. I know you want to ban my life. No more clearance. Yes, after this application, my second YouTube channel got what call recovered by YouTube, and I guess on that same day, my older channel, Solo Survivor, too got recovered by YouTube. Suddenly, I think like that, but I don't know the what call exact reason how my what call first channel got recovered or restored by YouTube on YouTube, and now it is available on YouTube, and so how I'm able to make video on this channel, and this will be the first video after maybe it has been 10 days or so like that since my first channel got recovered on YouTube. Yes, still there is a problem on my channel. There's no any sense of my subscribers. It's still there, but now I'll have again to make 4,000 watch hours. My monetization was suspended. Even my AdSense account got suspended due to inactivity of my revenue for 6 months. That was the day that it made me so much pleasant right now, and it made my day or so like that. I'm super excited, super happy. Now I got my what called previous or older YouTube channel. So this is all. Maybe you can guess how my YouTube channel got what called retrieved again by YouTube after 1 year or so long like that. I never saw a channel what called retrieved after so many years or more than 1 year. Now it's available on YouTube, and I will make my videos on this first channel. But one thing is the all my what call dollars I made as revenue on my first channel, Uh, at the time while it got terminated, the dollar was $43. So now again, I'll have to work harder to monetize my YouTube channel because subscribers are already there. Well, guys, if you're new on my channel, Solo Survivor, to subscribe to my channel. If you like, then like, and if you want to comment, then comment on my comment section down below. And thank you all for supporting me. Bye bye.